Hello everyone and welcome, my name is pieterbk and in this video I will be showing you where you can find the bank and the fridge to keep your money and weapons for the next games. And well, first you'll be the first thing we'll be going to do is go down here. Then we need to go down here. Okay, yes, we're in the right place. Now here, right here, when we go back here, you will find a bank. I actually don't know where exactly this bank is. Ooh, what the? Oh, I never saw this thing before. Oh, it seems to be pretty cool. Oh my god. Sorry if you can't see much because my TV, well, I need to set it up for games and so sort of stuff. Well, but let's go firstly to the fridge. Uh, well, I'm listening. Well, the fridge is right here to the general store. Find the stuff. Let's get some money. Well, we got it. Here we can find all stuff, all the parts for building the. Well, there are 4 buildable stuffs plus 5 because I just saw uh, what what we just did, and well, here, this is the actual fridge. I'll be showing you. I'll be showing you that. Wait a second. I need some. The only thing I need is a weapon. Uh, yeah. Hey, I just sound like a rapper. Yeah. Sounds kind of stupid. Well, we're now in the farm or in I don't know where we are right yet, but I think yes, it's a farm. It's a farm. It's a farm. It's a farm. Yeah, it was a farm. I'm kind of scared because I don't want to die. Well, I think this is actual gameplay. This is a little footage. Here, you see one part. Oh well. Oh yes, I wanted. Well, there are 4 buildable parts, and all the parts are in the general store. You can find it in the general store. And well, oh, the bag is right. Oh my god. Oh yes, the first time I get this weapon. Um, um, well, the thing is, oh, this is pretty cool. Max ammo. Well, there are 4 buildable parts: the trample steam, the electricity ventilator, or how it is called. Then oh, then the next part you can build is the next part you can build is something like no, I don't know. It cuts the zombies, so this would be pretty cool. And there's a other thing, which is oh, well, there's another thing which is called something like sound giver submarino or something like that. I don't know. And well, that thing just you know, it needs electricity, and if you put it right here, it punches this. So you don't need this giant to break this, because if your giant is helping you with killing zombies by well, when you give him the sweets, just put a ventilator here, and then this sound sub flavor or something like that, you will automatically um, be able to break that. And well, I want to fly. That's what I do. And let's see if I can fly over this. Oh, I can't. I can. Oh, that seems to be pretty cool. But really, if this was real life, I wouldn't enter this ship. Cause enter in that house, because it's really you know, I can't speak. I really hate that. When I get scared, I can't speak. That's really it's really stupid. Yeah, I just sounded stupid, so let's keep it. Whatever. Hey, this weapon is pretty cool. Oh yes, that's what I wanted to do. Now I remember. I forgot what I wanted to do. Look. Oh no! Whatever you saw, this is the fridge. And well, the fridge is not the same fridge like on the other maps. This is like a safe. And well, if we now go to the bank, which is right is right on the other side. Oh my god. Okay, now we need to go upstairs. And now we need to find a way to the caves. Should I? No. Okay, well, need to do something. Oh my god. Why I can't? Oh wait, I can. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, I can show you via this. There's the bag, and oh. Well, here it is. The bank. There's the safe. And well, here's the fridge. That was my little video, but well, it is not a little video because it's during now 9 minutes. Well, this was a little footage, plus where the fridge and the other stuff is. So well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like and whatever, you know what that is.